right, so here we have a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. This is the 1.8 turbo motor. What we're going to be doing is an air filter. So we have a new air filter we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. So we're going to be removing, this is the air filter housing right here. We have a couple Torx bits, screws all around. Looks like this is a T20. So we're going to go ahead and remove all these bolts to get this cover off. All right, so we have our access to our filter now. We'll go ahead and remove our filter. Doesn't look too bad. All right, so we'll go ahead and put our new filter in. I guess that one was a pretty different shade of orange there. We'll go ahead and place our cover back on, and then reinstall the screws. And there we go, we have an air filter installed.